Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what's going on in your love life now, Libra. What is it that you need to know? And please know these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Libra gang and send them the messages they need to hear at this time. Thank you. So Libra, as always, an angel blessing card to top the reading, and then we'll get on with your tarot. Let's see what my angels have for you. My angels, a blessing, message, or an advice card for my Libra gang, please. Blessing, advice, or message for my Libra. This one, all right. Let's put this one here, Libra. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Libra, is confidence. So somebody lacking a bit of confidence here, Libra? Or is it time now to use that sword and cut away anything that doesn't serve you? This is the Archangel Michael's sword, which helps you get rid of anything that is not good for you. Okay? And yes, it could be the simple case of finding your confidence in yourself, or maybe this is for your cross watcher. Let's put this card here, Libra. And let's see what's in it for you with now for your love bite. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. All your donations, your comments, your likes. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is going to be just a simple 9-card spread to see what you guys need to know now. And if you're looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. And yes, one more thing, Libra. A lot of you have been messaging to say we want to know when you're going to be uploading our videos because you keep looking out for them. So I've decided every Tuesday and Friday. Okay, for air signs, Tuesday for your in-depth reading, and Friday is going to be your love bites. Bottom of my deck, I do see the Temperance card, which is very, very nice, bringing some healing, some balance back to maybe your love life, who knows. So also on popular demand, we're going to be doing dialogue messages as well from you to your partner and your partner to you. Let's see what you guys want to say to each other now. So Spirit, what would they like to say to each other? One more. Libra and their partner, Spirit, what would they like to say to each other now? Let's take 3 more from another deck, Clear Libra. Okay. So Libra, let's start with your message cards first. The first one says, whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You are all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. Beautiful message. Let me just repeat that once more. Whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. So this Libra, this could be you or your partner wanting to say this to you. And the second message I have is, I'm haunted by your presence. Almost similar, right? Whether we are together or apart. So, I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There is no escape for me. Even when I try to move on, I'm haunted even more. So you guys could be apart here, Libra, but there is no escaping this connection. It seems like a soulmate or a twin flame kind of a connection where even if you guys are not together, this person is always around you energetically. Next card. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Just as I said, this is a very strong soulmate bond here. I think you or your partner, or maybe both of you, just can't stop. You cannot cut each other out. Even if you guys are not together, your person is always around you. Always. Next card. I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allow it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. All right. So the other partner, even though there's been distance, there may have been a rejection, maybe, but the partner who got rejected is saying, "Listen, don't give yourself that much credit, okay? Yes, I didn't break. Yeah, I cracked a little bit, but that only made me stronger." Next card. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. So there is a possibility of coming back around here, Libra, but I think one person wants to do it the right way now and not just come back the same way where this person will not be trusted anymore. So one person is really trying to find the correct way to approach their partner now, so nothing can go wrong this time. Next one. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, it makes me only... Oh, so... Okay, I'm sorry, I have to repeat this again. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, and it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. So even if you guys are apart and seeing other people, you are haunted, or your partner is haunted by your thoughts, even when they are intimate with someone else. So nothing is helping this distraction from happening. So let's see somebody's trying to find their confidence, I think, to come back right and bring healing to the situation as well. So the first card I have here for you, Libra, is the High Priestess, the Chariot, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Empress. So there could be a bit of silence between the two of you right now, Libra, what I see. Maybe somebody left this relationship and moved on to become single from this relationship because they kept waiting and waiting and waiting, and their partner never came forth with any kind of an apology or a love offer or anything like that. So I think one person here is very intuitive. They've kept their dignity, they kept their silence. Why I say dignity is because I do see the Empress here as well. So the Empress is somebody who has high regard for herself and respects not just herself, but other people also look up to her as somebody who is to be, considered in high regard. So this person has, I think, used their intuition very well, and now they are silent. They've moved on. They've realized their partner's not coming forth with any apology. They are now single, beautiful, the pre-Empress here and the Empress here. And yes, they feel the relationship has now gone a wrong direction altogether, and there is no hope of ever coming back together. But whoever this person is who left here, Libra, is totally concentrating on themselves here. They are becoming better. They are letting that shine, come forward from the cracks that have been put in this relationship. It hasn't broken them. It's only making them stronger by the day. From the pre-Empress, this person goes to becoming the Empress now. So Now, the other partner, I think, wants to start again with the Page of Pentacles. They want to start a brand new story here once again. They want to come forth to the person who they're not with and want to show themselves in good light to say, hey, I've changed. And yes, I know that I have not brought any kind of balance in this relationship, but I do want to begin again. I want you to see me as the person you always wanted me to be, as the provider, as the mature one. And can we please, 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 please start again, start fresh. I'm ready to start from scratch with you. Two pages of pentacles here, right? So requesting for a restart, it seems, after things have really come not been in balance or really gone out of balance here. There is a lot of stress and anxiety that this person is feeling now, because even though they want to portray themselves now as a very mature and a good partner, they, I don't think, know how. Because they are worrying about it. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, they know that they have brought disruption now to this partnership. This could have been their soulmate, but they didn't respect it maybe on time. They are so upset about the ending now that all they can do is not be able to sleep at night and be really, really stressed out about how maybe they left their partner out in the cold when they should have been there for them, or maybe now they're feeling like that because their partners finally left them and now they're feeling left out in the cold. This could be some mind games, I think, somebody played here, wanting to, be the victor, or wanting to kind of mind manipulate their partner. Stupid game, I think somebody played here, which has left things totally ended here. But I think the worst is already over, because somebody now wants to come back and they're trying to plan something new. Right now, I don't think they have the courage, and they're also feeling that they may not succeed in this. Yes, because now somebody else has become very strong here. There's somebody who's really, really strong here. Now the person who's trying to come back, who I think is the masculine, is realizing what they've done. They are realizing that they are feeling left out, or they have been abandoned because all these immature, emotional, manipulative games that they played, right? And that's not making them very happy. They've lost their wish fulfillment. They're not feeling, they don't have the courage right now, I think, to take the step towards this Empress and start anything new. So what's this Empress then, Spirit? What's this Empress? This Empress is holding back big time here. This Empress is now holding back big time, but I do see somebody else here who is planning some roundabout way. They are in deep thought, deep planning of how to return back. Okay, so there's a lot of thinking going on, I think, by the person who was playing these mind games. And even when they're resting, I think all they're thinking about is their partner here. What can I do? What can I do? How do I go back and start this brand new beginning with this Empress who's holding back at the moment? So yes, I think whoever played the mind games needs a lot of confidence right now to move forward and try once again. The other person is now totally out, I think. Single, happy, free, and living the best life here. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care, love and light. Namaste.